Welcome to the Pisika channel. We're gonna do really good things on hell. Don't forget to check out the use code Pisika in here. Today we're gonna try to really good things. I have really good things, really big money in here, so I just wanna open the fucking monkeys for 10 times. It's gonna be a really big opponent, so open it 10 times. Hopefully we can do something crazy. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness, there are really crazy skins in here. Yes, that's a win, buddy. That's a win. Is this a Pisika in here? Let's do one more time. Let's do one more time. Hold, stop. Oh my goodness. I lose that. I think so. Nobody. What we got? I don't know. We got really crazy 5 serpent skin. Let's try the fucking long one more time. Line strike, X-ray. X-ray, 2 X-ray, and other skins, and I don't know. Oh my goodness! Let's open one more time, buddy. Come on. Give me dragon or hydroponic or something crazy. Karambit low, okay? This time it's a lose, I think. I think so. Yeah, but a little one, buddy. Let's try one more time. I believe my chance. I believe my luck. Give me something good, buddy. Come on. Nah. This time we actually fucked up a little bit, buddy. Let's open for 5 times. Come on. Let's open for 5 times again. I don't think so. That's a lose. Yeah. Let's open 5 times again. Hopefully we can get something good. Come on. No way. That's lose, buddy. That's a big one, actually. That's a pretty big one. I just want to open it for 3 times. But as you see, Pisika is on everywhere. Oh my god, we missed the dragon though. But we got a Prince 3 man. Emerald Jamadanga. So let's try for 2 times, hopefully. In fast mode, by the way. Nah, that's not good, buddy. It's not good at all. Let's open one more time. Oh my god, if you stopped on here, that would be amazing. Let me go back and try to open something else, by the way. That's really big. That's really big lose, huh? Let's open a real shift case for 5 times. Come on, buddy. What if I try for 2 times? We got a right to D-pad, but we got AK-47 the oligarch. Let's see what can be done. Okay, that's good. Let's try this one. Let me try one more time. Emerald Dragon, the oligarch, and other crazy skins in here. It is good. I can't open it. What if I try the Linga? This case is also like a really aggressive case. Hopefully we can pull something good and... Nah. No. The other one was better, buddy. Anyway. Let's open it 3 times, then I'm gonna end up this video. Hopefully you guys like this video. Have an amazing day. Bye bye and good luck, buddy.